Yes, it was there. Yes, okay. So this is a camera. Cool, okay. Right. Oh, we're sorry, but this machine cannot accept any more banknotes. Please complete your transaction. Oh no. Oh no. Try one more time just in case that something went wrong. So we have to scan the barcode on the camera there, and it shows up there. Have you done this before?
I'm confusing. For me, it's surprise.
That's why I'm making a video on YouTube to show to people how to do this.
That's good.
But it's impossible. It's okay, I don't know what to press. Additional fee. Okay, which equals that. Destination address. Come on. Please insert cash to purchase Bitcoin. Okay, I think it needs cash. Right. Okay, I'm going to try with cash.
Up to you.
Right, I'm going to try with the small banknote first. So hopefully it's not going to steal my money. Let's see, 20 pounds. Ah, no. Wait, there you go. 20. Right, let's see.
It's okay, yeah?
Oh, yes, I can see it. Nice. Okay, let's go another 20. It's going to take forever. And another 20. Right, now we have on top 60. Yeah, you can see it. Fantastic. Right. Must be a way to do this faster.
You open the light, yeah?
Alright. Good one. Do you have any Bitcoin? No? No Bitcoin? Is it okay if I film you? You're going to be on YouTube. Look at this dude. He's an amazing guy. So do you owe any Bitcoin?
No.
No Bitcoin?
No.
But you have the machine here.
I don't know, for you.
The machine is for me apparently. Okay, I'm keep pushing these 20 notes there. At the moment we've got 140 and it's going up. Yep. Okay, let's see. Another 20, 160, and it counts. Whew. This is going to take some time. I think I'm going to fast forward that so you won't have to wait for all these 20s to go. Success! Come on! We did it! We did it! Brilliant! Okay, we've got 500 there. Cool. Okay, what's next? What's next?
I don't know.
Buy Bitcoin. I'm pressing the button. Buy. Cool. Processing. Wow, that was fast. Congratulations, you have purchased 0.04702685 Bitcoin for £500. How did you find us? Well, okay, I guess. So, what's next? I can hear it printing something, but I'm not sure what it's doing now. I'm going to press the button that says print receipt. Okay, there we go. To the receipt. So keep this receipt. Oh, you bet I'll do that. It's £500. Okay then, so I have purchased Purchased. Cool, and done. And that was it. Well, I'm not sure what happened. I'm going to go home and check if I have the Bitcoin. If not, I'm going to come and fight you, man.
No, this is no more.
It's going to be your fault if I don't see my Bitcoin. Where is my Bitcoin? Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Okay, then. Oh, whew, that was intense. Okay. Well, I guess I have my Bitcoin now. Well, I have a receipt, that's for sure. We're gonna find out if I have the Bitcoin as well in my new wallet. Let's go to the car and see you in a bit. Okay, it took me literally 3 minutes to get in my car and sorry. Oh my God, someone was right. That's brilliant. Okay, I need to park again. Whew. Right, I was actually blocking a guy. He was trying to get into his parking and I was blocking him. And I think I have his face on the video. Right, cool. Right, well, I was saying that it's been literally 3 minutes that I have exited the shop. The name of the shop is Premier. It's in, if you're from Bristol, that's in Bedminster, Bristol, the Premier mini market or something. Not sure about the address here, but anyway, you can Google it and find it there. Right, let's check into my brand new now. If you have realized, what I did is I didn't have a Bitcoin wallet. I didn't know that I need one. So when I went there, the machine asked me if I have a Bitcoin wallet. I said no, and then they gave me this barcode, so I've scanned it with my phone, and straight away it redirected me to a site so I can download a Bitcoin wallet. I did that, very simple. They didn't ask me email, name, address, none of that, nothing. The wallet was straight away there, and later on when I'm at home I will explain you exactly how it works. But I want to see actually if after 3 minutes if I have my Bitcoin already in my account. So let's check. Oh wow, it's here. Yes, look at that. Okay, so 0.47 of a Bitcoin. It is in my account. You can see my public address and my private key, which is blurred. Oh wow, that's crazy. Okay, so apparently my Bitcoin's value is $536. Is that the equivalent of £500? I don't think so. I'm pretty sure they have kept some how is it called? Interest, I bet, I guess. Yeah, they probably, commission, yeah, that's the word that I'm looking for. So I bet that they have kept some kind of commission there. If well, actually, let's find out. How much is £500 in dollars? 500, let's see, £500, GBP to USD, yeah, cool. Wow, okay. I think the commission is quite so it's £500, it's $648, and I have in my wallet $536. Quite a difference there. So commissions are really high. When I'll go home, I will calculate the commission and I will share with you. We're going to find out exactly what's the commission, or maybe the price of Bitcoin is dropping. I'm not sure really, one of the two, but I'm going to find out and I'm going to inform you once I get home. See you later. Well, I hope that I have managed to give you some value with this video. Yesterday it was an amazing day, really. We have made some, we have transform, if I can put it this way, some cash into a Bitcoin. We have given lots of commission, which let me actually check how much is the price of Bitcoin today. £500 normally they're giving us 0.057 instead of 47 Bitcoin. So I have came to the conclusion that the Bitcoin machine ATM is keeping a commission of 0.01 Bitcoin per transaction, maybe. I'm sorry that I haven't searched further the whole thing to give you more information, but I think that's the case. Probably it's keeping 0.01 Bitcoin for every transaction, up to 3,000, I think. But feel free to do more research, just Google it, and probably the numbers are somewhere there to find. I was just hoping, and I was trying with this video to show you that this is possible and this is how you do it, more or less. I don't like being very technical. There are so many YouTubers out there that they're doing that, so you can listen to one of them. What else? Now, doing that, we have, from now on, my next video is going to concentrate on how to transform £500 into Bitcoin again, but we're going to skip the cash bit. Now we're going to do it normally, like with our debit card or a credit card. I will find out which way is easier, and I will do this and demonstrate the whole thing. And on the next video as well, I'm going to show everything about a Bitcoin wallet, how it looks, and how you use it as well. So stay tuned in order to find out how to use a Bitcoin wallet on our next video, and how to actually buy some Bitcoin with your debit or credit card. Stay safe, be happy, be healthy. See you soon. Have a lovely day.
She moves and talks with perfect sound. She prays and ballads, rays of light. When she's bored, she talks to the stars. And when she's bored, she talks to stars. Grounded won't for her to see, and just play music when she sleeps. A perfect woman with a perfect soul, talks and acts with perfect rhymes. And when she's bored, she talks to stars. Sizes her vibes have reached. Unhappy person's the one she has kissed. Pleasure with nightmare eyes.